You made an excellent speech today at the AOC opening ceremony. Yesterday we were talking about ophthalmology supporting optometry and vice versa over there by the Twin Towers.
Yes.
Today, I think we should talk a little bit about, optometrists supporting optometrists, because there is a little bit of a divide between hospital optometrists and, say, optical shop optometrists. How can everyone support each other?
In Malaysia, there are 400 optometrists who are in the government service, government hospitals, and there are also optometrists who are in the private hospitals as well. And as well, you have optometrists in private practice. Increasingly in the hospitals, the ophthalmologist sees that, hey, it's good to get optometrists in and support us so that they can be far more efficient. So one of the things I can see, optometrists in the hospital doing is to handle cases that we rarely see in the private. For example, like we need to fit a scleral lens, or for some people, they fit keratoconus lenses where your cornea starts to be not regular. In the private practice, sometimes you will only see them once a month, or even less than that. If we could refer the hospital optometrists, and they get to see more, officially they are more proficient in it, they probably see once a day or one every 2 days, and that makes sense. And likewise, the hospital optometrists, some of those cases could be seen by the private practice optometrists. Simple things like dry eyes and all these things. So we can support one another. And we know that in the hospital, the patient load is just phenomenal. It's so much. And they need to test from morning till night, non-stop, So if we can lessen the burden by just leveraging on each other's strengths.
As we were just saying off camera a moment ago, rather than being a conference or society, wouldn't it be great to be a movement to bring optometry to the next level? What do you think about that?
Yeah, it's true. I hope that this is not just a conference, but this is a place where delegates inspire each other to be a movement. By leveraging on each other and becoming a movement, we can make a difference in one person's life or a few person's life. Together, we can truly impact our nations. To learn from each other's strength. Hey, your country has a practice that we would like to adopt, and we can motivate each other, learn from each other that way.
Thanks so much for joining us here on MICE TV. We'll see you again.
Thank you. Thank you much, Matt.